Hey everyone, welcome to Slay Art Refinishings. My name is Garrett, and in today's video we'll be going over my performance, how many pieces of furniture I flipped and worked on in the month of March. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back to another one of these videos. I upload a video every Sunday at 7 p.m. I like to refinish and flip furniture, so if that sounds good to you, please hit the subscribe button down below today. Let's get started. So for the month of March 2023, I did not flip and sell any furniture. I know this is a very crummy way to start out this video, but however, I did pick up a couple pieces and work on quite a few pieces. The first piece I picked up was a small desk that I got from Facebook Marketplace for $10. I picked it up on March 1st of this month, and I only paid $10 for it. It only took me about 2 weeks to refinish it. I sanded down the entire desk, painted the sides, the faces of the drawers, painted the hardware, and stained the top of the desk. I currently have it listed up on Facebook Marketplace. It's been up on Facebook for about a week and a half, and I'm waiting for it to sell before I make an upcoming video on that, so stay tuned for that upcoming video. For the second piece I pulled in this month, I got an old wooden dresser from Facebook Marketplace for free. It's blue, and I like to nickname most of my furniture pieces. I nicknamed this piece the Blue Folk Dresser. This piece was originally listed on Facebook Marketplace for $10. However, I got it for free, and I thought that was very nice of the owner of this dresser. My friend Reed and I went over to these old folks' condo. They had a friend that recently passed away, and they were cleaning out her belongings and getting rid of some stuff, and they told me that if I helped move a couple things that I could just have the dresser for free. So I thought that was very generous of them, and I'm actually planning on giving this dresser to my parents. They have a little cabin in the northern part of Michigan, so I'm working on refinishing that dresser for them. I sanded down the dresser drawers, the dresser face, the sides, and the top. I stained the top. The dresser is quite the project. I had a lot of different visions in mind. I kind of just collaborated all of them into one, so it's kind of a funky dresser. Very exciting, and I got some up north bear and tent wallpaper decor liners for the drawers, and they look pretty sweet. And I have spent quite a bit of money on this dresser, so stay tuned for that upload in the next week or so. The next piece of furniture was my last piece of furniture that I pulled in for the month of March, which is this old antique credenza. I got it from Facebook Marketplace for $30. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do to this piece, so if you have any suggestions, please drop them down below. I also worked on this dresser, nicknamed the Loon Lake dresser. I got this dresser back in January. I put it off for a little bit, but I'm almost finished with it, so stay tuned for this upcoming reveal video. So in case you're new to flipping furniture, or you're trying to get started in refinishing some furniture, for each one of these videos, I like to share my expenses for the month, exactly what I purchased for all these pieces. So right here, I have my little cheat sheet, and I ended up spending a whopping $287.44 on materials and supplies. I purchased a small package of sandpaper for $5 at Walmart. I won't be doing that again. I purchased 3 sponge brushes at Walmart for $4. I brought home the blue dresser and spent $4.38 on gas. Spent $54.03 on a 100 pack of sandpaper, and I bought 3 of those. They were $16.99 each. Bought some wallpaper from Amazon for the desk drawers. That was $23.79. I still had plenty of leftover. I bought 3 foam brushes from Home Depot, $3.40. Beyond Paint multi-purpose sealer from Home Depot, $31.75. Love that stuff, by the way. I bought some wallpaper decor for the Blue Folk dresser from Etsy, and you know Etsy is pretty expensive. That was $76.32. I bought a 5-pack of foam rollers, a 5-pack of small foam brushes from Home Depot, along with 1 quart of Varathane Classic Black Wood Top 1 quart stain, all coming out to $31.07. I bought 2 more stains, each at $26, bringing my total to $287.44. Although this does sound like a lot, I am hoping that I will not have to spend anything since I am pretty well stocked up for the month of April. Hoping I won't have to buy anything. Another piece of furniture I worked on for the month of March was this small little black dingy dresser I got from Facebook Marketplace. I picked it up back in February and I kind of got sidetracked and procrastinated on working on that dresser. I currently have it listed up on Facebook Marketplace. It's been 1 week, no offers, fingers crossed. We're gonna see how this goes. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I upload a new project video every Sunday at 7 p.m. If you're a returning subscriber, like I said, thank you so much for coming back and watching another one of these videos. Hopefully you gained some value and inspiration out of this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next upcoming videos. Take care. Have a great day.